Hi everyone, my name is Intan or Aina Kamaruzaman and I'm from the Faculty of Veterinary Medicine, University of Malaysia Kelantan. And today I would like to introduce to you to my teaching and learning innovation project, which I call GastroVet, Enhancing Food Safety and Gastronomy Delight in Veterinary Public Health. To the team member of this project and our spirit animal. This project is led by myself and I am assisted with a lot of wonderful people in FPV UMK, as you can see from this slide. Allow me to give you a general introduction of veterinarians. For most of people, they regard veterinarian as someone who is capable of treating the animals. But we are actually more than that. Veterinarian plays a diverse roles in society, which includes the provision of animal health, animal welfare, wildlife conservation, education and research, One Health, and food safety and security. Let me emphasize the roles of veterinarians in food safety and security. Food safety is one of the important key components in veterinary public health in ensuring that the food from animal sources are free from diseases, therefore safe to consume by us, the human. And FEB UMK offers veterinary public health subject in the 4th year syllabus. And traditionally, students were allowed to visit food processing factory to observe themselves on how the safe food processing was done in the factory, which complies to the quality assurance programs such as GMP, HACCP, and also halal. However, this was not possible during the pandemic time because the students were unable to go to this factory due to the COVID restriction. Therefore, we invented GastroVet, which was launched 2 years ago as part of the interactive assignment for the students and also as an alternative to the physical visit to the food processing plant due to the restriction for the outside visitors. In this project, students were given 2 months to complete the assignment after the initial lecture on food safety were given in the class. And as of 2023, 79 students were already participated in the assignment, and the submission was made and evaluated using a design brick. Let me give you a general outline on how GastroVet was initiated. First off, the students in the class were divided into 7 groups with 7 proteins of choice. We have pork, fish, chicken, beef, vegetable proteins, seafood, and also pastry. From these proteins, the students are instructed to create an imaginary food product based on the proteins, and they are also being tasked to create an imaginary food processing plant that adhere to the food assurance programs such as GMP, HACCP, halal, using a graphic tool of choice. From the assignment given, they were also instructed to cook a real food product to the coordinators and also the class, and both assignments and both components were evaluated using a design rubric. This is very simple project for students. This is some of the one of the example of the food processing plant designed by the students using a software. And this is the food products that were invented by the students according to the protein of choice. So we have beef, they make into dumplings; chickens, they made into spring rolls; fish, they made fish fingers and also fish burgers. This is imaginary pork that created by the students, they make into corn pork. This is the seafood products, they made into snacks, and also prawn proteins. This is the picture, the actual picture of the students enjoying the assignment. This is the presentation of the students for the food. They were so excited because they get to eat towards the end of the class. And this was last year, where the students created their own booth to promote their products. They were so creative in this. And we also create a feedback form for the students, and from the result we found that a lot of students, majority of the students agrees that GastroVet assignment cover the element of food safeties and quality assurance topics being taught in the class, and they were also agrees that it is enjoyable because it encourages the teamwork and active participation from the group rather than working in silo. And based on the evaluation, most of them enjoy working in this assignment, and they agree to continue this assignment as part of the teaching and learning in veterinary public health subject. And these are some of the feedbacks by the students. Majority of them expresses positivity for this project. For GastroVet usefulness and practicality, we feel that this is very good because it combines both physical and virtual classroom interactions without ever going outside the class. And as a coordinator, we also make sure that the objective of the CLO and PLO are delivered so that we adhere to the curriculum of the subject. And as for the practicality for the students, it is an instant revision, because if it's not because of the assignment, they have to read a lot of theoretical on the food safety, which is very boring. And doing this assignment, they managed to grasp all the things that they should know. Therefore, most of students agree that this is an instant revision for them. And for us, coordinator, is easy to evaluate the students based on the assignment, based on the project, and also based on the outcome that they presented to us. It is memorable and very fun to work with because it grabs the students to join and also enjoy themselves. It enhances the culinary creativity. They can cook. Okay, that's most enjoyable thing to do in the class. And lastly, it encourages the teamwork. So everyone get to participate without no one has ever being left out. As for the added value, we believe that this is a very innovating teaching method because the students don't have to go physical, don't have to go outside the classroom in order to understand the subject, and it also gives a very good understanding on the particular topic on the food safety subject, and they can use the assignment to apply in a real world application on how they do this in a real food factory. And next, it emphasize the role of the veterinarian of the food safety. It encourages the teamwork, and lastly, it upgrading the skill development, such as using the digital skill, digital knowledge on creating their own platform or their own food processing plant, and also technical knowledge on the food safety. We believe that GastroVet can develop further because it has a lot of commercial potentials, and also may be able to get recognition. First, we believe that GastroVet can be a good educational products and services. We can also use GastroVet for consultation and training in the workshops and seminars, especially for the people who want to set up their own food business but they do not know how to apply for accreditations and certifications. And lastly, we also believe that this project can go further, and it can be used to apply grant to the ministry in order to expand the project further. We also believe that the GastroVet can be the basic knowledge for the food manufacturers to comply with the national certifications, because it can also teach them how to run their own business, and to run their apart from running the business, they also know what to expect when they produce a food product in the factory. Now we come to the conclusion. GastroVet is a novel project that leverages the veterinary expertise to elevate the food safety and quality by combining both physical and virtual classroom interaction, and it also enhances students' learning, encourages teamwork, culinary creativity, and provides a joyful veterinary education experience. I would like to acknowledge FPV for giving me this opportunity, and also the DVS Malaysia for the project execution. These are some of the references, and thank you so much for listening. I hope you enjoy the presentation. Thank you.